Watching the thunder and lightning storm, huh, Audrey?
And raining.
And it's raining. It's raining really hard.
More lightning.
I saw it.
Just wait on a little thing.
Okay.
Wait on a little thing. Little thing.
See if there's some more big lightning. Get very excited about it.
Cold.
Cold.
Rain is cold.
Yeah.
More lightning.
I saw it. Hear the thunder? I think it's getting farther away.
Rain and rain.
Mm-hmm.
Rain.
Lots and lots of rain.
See a rain out in the window?
Mm-hmm.
Coming down in a shelf.
And the shelf? Ooh, it's raining harder.
See a prince?
Look at it dropping onto the porch.
Prince.
I want a good
See it
light.
coming out? It comes out the porch.
On the porch.
From the Santa says that.
Thunder says that. Rumble, rumble,
Yeah.
rumble, rumble.
I tried to say that.
You trying to say it like thunder? You're so cute.
Santa.
Thunder. What's the thunder say?
What's the legend say?
Lightning is just bright light and then it makes a noise and that's what the thunder is. Rumble, rumble, rumble.
What's that?
Raindrops on the door.
That's okay.
That's okay.
It says on the door.
It got on the door because it was raining really hard.
It's raining power.
Well, I might have missed the best lightning. That's okay.